Precision, reliability, and simplicity. Meet the Piusi K90, the mechanical flow meter that delivers all three, no compromise. With flow rates from 5 to 24 gallons per minute, the K90 handles everything from light transfers to high volume jobs. In its sweet spot, 13 to 19 GPM, it hits plus or minus 0.6 accuracy. That's elite level precision in real world fueling. At its core, a nutating disc system built for consistent measurement, no matter the fuel conditions. No batteries, no nonsense, just mechanical performance you can count on. Whether you're fueling on a farm, job site, in logistics, or mining, if it burns fuel, the K90's built for it. 3 digits up front for each transfer, and a 7-digit totalizer that tracks the big picture. The high visibility display makes every gallon count. And the real difference maker? The Panther EX72. It's a workhorse engineered for serious operations. Built with a fan-cooled, continuous-duty motor, the EX72 is designed to run non-stop. Whether you're fueling an entire fleet or keeping your heavy equipment moving, it doesn't stop, and neither do you. Its grooved rotor and spring-loaded vanes deliver maximum pressure, keeping your flow rate high even when you're running long hoses, filters, or meters. No vapor lock, no wasted time. No batteries, no breakdowns, just mechanical accuracy that fuels your operation without fail. The Piusi K90, your meter, your edge. Every gallon accounted for.